morning students. Today we will see some more problems in exercise 3B. Okay, from 6th onwards we will see. So 6th problem is subtraction. So subtract, here they have given some numbers here. We have to subtract the first number from the second number. See the first one, minus 180 from 180. We have to subtract minus 180 from 180. Always from after whatever you get now, that number you have to write first. From 180 we have to subtract. So write first this one. From 180 we have to subtract minus 180. Minus 180. We have to subtract minus 180. So instead of writing this one, we can do this one directly. From 180 we have to subtract which one? The first number is minus 180. Now look at this one. Minus bracket means into only? Multiplication only? Yes. Minus into minus will be plus. So now what happens? 180 plus 180. What is 180 plus 180? 0 plus 0? 0. And 8, 8, 16. 1, 1. And next one 3. See here 180, 180. So what you get here 0, 88, 60 and here is 3. 360 you got here. Understood? Always from after whatever your number get now, that you have to write first. From this number you have to subtract the first number. Subtraction symbol is minus. So whatever they have given first number, write down as it is. So do the calculation here. Signs. In the brackets also you have sign now. So you have to multiply this one. So minus into minus will become plus. Now you can add as usual calculation you can do here. Okay. Now see the next one. Minus 630 from minus 70. We have to subtract minus 630 from minus 70. So we have to write the from after number now. Write down that one first. Minus is there. So along with the sign I am writing here. Minus 70. So what I have to do? Subtraction. Which number we have to subtract here? Minus 630. Within the brackets write down minus 630. 630. Now look at the signs here. Minus 70 as it is first. Now the next one, within the brackets also you have sign minus is there. So you can multiply the signs here. Minus into minus will become plus 630. Now what is this one? We can also change this one. First I am writing 630. Plus 630 before you have plus now. So I am not mentioning this one. And after that minus 70. Minus 70. So from 630 you can subtract 70 here. How much you get here? 560. What is the bigger number sign? Plus. So here plus is there. Yes. So 630 minus 70 means 560. Okay. Now see the next one. Minus 95 from 0. Here we have to subtract minus 95 from 0. So which number we have to write first? From after the number we have to write first. 0 minus subtraction we are doing. So I am keeping here minus. Next I am writing the first number. What is the first number here? Minus 95. So within the brackets write down minus 75. Minus 95. Okay. Now look at the number. Look at the signs here. Within the brackets also I have minus here. So I can multiply the signs here. Minus into minus will become plus. So 0 plus 95. If you add any number to the 0, if you subtract any number from 0, you will get that number only. So you get here 95. Understood? Good. Now look at the next problem. Fill in the blanks. 7th one. Okay. Now see here. Plus 23 plus. We have to place some value here to get this 0. We are getting here 0 means which number you have to add here? So if you add the number with the negative sign. Okay. Opposite signs. The same number with opposite signs. If you add that one, you will get 0 here. So 23 plus 23 is there. So to get 0, which number I have to place here? Minus 23. Okay, minus 23. Now see explanation part. Plus 23 minus 23 will be 0 like this. Okay, good. Now see this one. Minus 30 minus something we have to subtract here. By subtracting this number we are getting here minus 14. We don't know this number now. So here in the previous problem directly we can do this one. But here some calculations we have to do. So the unknown number, take it as x here. Okay, let the number will be x here. So now what is this one? Minus 30 minus x equal to minus 14. Now I need only x here. I don't want the next number. But instead of that one, I will send this x to that side. And I will send minus 14 to this side. See, minus 30 and I will send to this side and this will be sent to this side. minus x, if you send this one to the other side, minus will become plus x here. Okay. Now here minus 14 is there. If you send this one to the other side of this equal to, it will plus will become, minus will become plus 14. Okay. Plus 6 plus 14. You can also send this one minus 30 to the other side, but instead of this one, I want to eliminate this minus also. So from in the beginning only I have taken x out here. X equal to, I am writing. All the numbers I am taking one side and x I am taking another side. Okay. Now see, minus 30 plus 14. How much this one? Subtract from the bigger number the smaller number. Always if you have opposite sides, you can do the subtraction. Okay, from the bigger number, subtract the smaller number and give the bigger number sign here. 30 minus 14 will be 16. What is the biggest number sign here? Minus. So place minus. X equal to minus 16. Now total your answer will become minus 30. In place of dash, you have to keep minus 16 along with the sign. That is very, very important. Okay, that's it. This one over, this one over. Now, okay. Now look at the sixth problem. Dash minus 25. You are getting here 2. Subtracting minus 25 from the unknown number, we are getting here 2 here. We have to find out this number. So like in the previous problem, we will take it as x and we will do the calculation. Okay. So in place of this one, I am taking it x here. So x minus of minus 25 equal to 2. As it is, I am writing with replacing x here. Now look at this one. Within the bracket also minus. Minus into minus will become plus. X plus 25 equal to 2. Okay. Now I need only x. I don't want this 25. So I will send this one to the other side. X equal to 2 plus 25 will become minus 25. So in the before 2, nothing is there means plus is there. If you have the opposite sides, you can do the subtraction. For the sign, you have to give the bigger number sign. So from 25, subtract 22, what you get? 23. After finding 23, now look at the sign. What is the bigger number sign? Minus is there. Minus 25 before you have minus. So keep minus in front of 23. Okay. Now your x value is this one. Now your final answer write down. In place of x, replace minus 23. Minus 23 minus of minus 25 will be equal to 2 here. So like that, you have to find out the missing numbers. Okay. Okay, you understood this one. If you don't know any value, look, take it as x and do the calculation. You will get the unknown value. After finding the unknown value, again replace the given things. Okay, replace the whatever the value you find now, that one replace in the given problem. That is your answer. Okay, good. No doubt. Okay, now look at this problem, 8th one. Use number line to find out the values here. Okay, so first one, see 5 plus 4. So I have explained in the video also. Now again I am doing in the problems. See 5 plus 4. So first we have to go to the first number. What is the first number here? 5. From 0, always you have to start from 0. From 0 you have to move to the first number, that is 5 here. Where is 5? Here. So from 0 to move 5. Okay. Now I have come to 5 here. Now after that, how much I have to add here? Plus 4. Whenever you see plus addition symbol, understand that you have to move forward. Okay. So addition means you have to move forward. You have to move forward 4 numbers. How much number is here? 4. So go to 4 steps. 1, 2, 3, 4. What is the number in the 4th step? 9. So this is your result. Okay. Like that you can calculate by using number line here. Understood? Now see, look at the second problem. 4 plus of minus 6 is there. Now here I do the sub calculation here to clear my side here. 4 plus, within the brackets I have minus. So I can multiply the signs here. Plus into minus will be minus. So you get here 4 minus 6. Okay, 4 minus 6 you get here. Now, so from always you have to start from 0. What is the first number? 4. So from 0 you have to move to the 4. Where is the 4? Here. So move first to the 4. After going to the 4, we have to add minus 6 here. That means whenever you see the minus, understand that you have to move back. What is the number you have? 6. 6 steps you have to move back. 6 numbers you have to move back. See, from 4 you have to go back 6 numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. What is the number in the 6th position? Minus 2. What is your answer here? Minus 2. Understood? Yes. Good. Now see the next one. Minus 4 plus 8. So always what you have learned, from 0 you have to start and you have to go to the first number. What is the first number here? Minus 4. From 0 go to minus 4 first. From 0 you have to go to the minus 4 first. After that you have to add plus 8. Plus 8 means you have to move forward. Whenever you see the plus symbol, you have to understand that you have to move forward. Which number you have? 8. So you have to move forward 8 steps, 8 numbers. Now see, from minus 4 only you have to start, not from the 0. We have reached to minus 4. So from minus 4 you have to start and move forward to 8 numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. What is the number in this one? 4 is there. So your answer will be 4. Understood? Now see the next one, minus 5 plus 3. As usual, from 0 you have to start and move back to and go back to the minus 5, first number first. So from 0, first you go to the first number, that is minus 5. After reaching minus 5, and what you have to do? Plus 3. Plus 3 means you have to move forward. You have to move forward 3 steps, 3 numbers. From minus 5 to start, 1 step, 2, and this is the third step. What is the number in the third step? Minus 2. Your answer will be minus 2 here. Understood? Now look at the last one. Minus 3 plus minus 5. What is the first number here? Minus 3 is there. What I said, from 0 you have to first go to the first number, that is minus 3 here. So from 0 where it is? 0 is here. From 0 I am going to the minus 3 first. After that plus minus 5. Here within the bracket also I have minus here. So I will clear the sign first. Minus 3 plus into minus will be minus 5. What I have to do? Minus 5. Whenever you see the subtraction symbol, what you have to understand? You have to move back. Minus 5 means 5 steps you have to move back. So from minus 3, move back 5 steps. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. What is the number in this position? Minus 8.